Good morning, students. So today we will discuss part C question, that is in part C total 14 questions. Out of 14 questions, attempt any 10 questions. Question number 25 to question number 38. Now today we will discuss question number 37 up to question number 36 already solved. So today we will discuss question number 37. Now that question number 37 belongs to under which topic? That is three-dimensional geometry. ನೋಡ್ರಿ 37th question ಯಾವ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ? ತ್ರೀ-ಡೈಮೆನ್ಷನಲ್ ಜಾಮೆಟ್ರಿ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಇದು 3 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್. ಸೊ ಈ 3Dಯಲ್ಲೇ ಬರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಯಾವ್ಯಾವು? 3 ಮಾರ್ಕಿನವು most important problems. Now let us discuss one by one problem. So first problem in 3D, that is 3 mark question. Find the vector and Cartesian equation of the line passing through the points. How many points are given? 2 points, namely -1, 0, 2 and 3, 4, 6. Now here 2 points are given. Now here A is a point, -1, 0, 2. B be a point 3, 4, 6. Okay, now here call it as say x1, y1, z1 and here x2, y2, z2. Now find the vector equation as well as Cartesian equation of line. Now here A is the point x1, y1, z1. Therefore position vector OA represented by vector A is equal to, what is its position vector? -1i plus 0j plus 2k. Okay, then B is the point x2, y2, z2. Then its position vector represented by vector B is equal to position vector 3i plus 4j plus 6k. We got two vectors. Now first part is to find the vector equation. As you know that vector equation of line passing through 2 points is given by the formula vector equation of line passing through 2 points is given by the formula vector r is equal to vector a plus lambda into b minus a. This is vector form of equation of line. Remember that formula. This formula ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ರಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. Okay, now that is r is equal to, what is vector a? -1i 0j plus 2k plus lambda into b minus a vector. This is b vector, that is a vector. Subtract 3i minus of -1i, that is 4i. Correct? 4j minus 0j plus 4j. Then 6k minus 2k plus 4k. This is vector equation of line passing through 2 points. Okay, this is vector equation. Also find the Cartesian equation. Cartesian equation of line passing through 2 points is given by the formula. Do you remember? ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. What is the formula? X minus x1 divided by x2 minus x1 is equal to y minus y1 divided by y2 minus y1 is equal to z minus z1 divided by z2 minus z1. This is Cartesian equation of line. Now substituting the value, x minus, what is x1? x1 value -1, minus into minus plus 1 divided by x2 minus x1, x2 value 3 minus x1 is -1, minus into minus plus 1, right, is equal to y minus y1, y1 value 0 divided by y2 4 minus y1 is 0 is equal to z minus z1, z1 value is 2 divided by z2 minus z1, z2 is 6 minus z1 is 2. Simplify x plus 1 divided by 3 plus 1 4 is equal to y minus 0, y divided by 4 is equal to z minus 2 divided by 6 minus 2, 4. So this is Cartesian form of equation of line passing through 2 points. Formula ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. Vector form of equation of line is r is equal to a plus lambda of b minus a. Whereas Cartesian equation of line formula, x minus x1 by x2 minus x1 is equal to y minus y1 by y2 minus y1 is equal to z minus z1 by z2 minus z1. Very simple problem. Clear, students? Find the shortest distance between the lines L1 and L2 whose vector equations are, two vector equations are given, r is equal to I plus j plus lambda of 2i minus j plus k, and r is equal to 2i plus j minus k plus constant mu into 3i minus 5j plus 2k. Okay. Now, as you know that the shortest distance between skew lines is given by the formula shortest distance SD is equal to, what is the formula? Remember, modulus of A2 minus A1 dot B1 cross B2, cross product of two vectors, divided by their magnitude, magnitude of B1 cross B2. So this is the formula for shortest distance between two lines. Remember that formula. Nodri, formula ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ರಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈಸಿಲಿ ಈ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. ಏನಿದೆ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ? shortest distance between two lines is given by the formula modulus of A2 minus A1 dot B1 cross B2 divided by their magnitude, magnitude of B1 cross B2. Okay. Now look here, how to solve given data. Now here r is equal to I plus j plus lambda into 2i minus j plus k. This is first vector, right? Now it is in the form r is equal to a1 plus lambda into b1. R is equal to a1 plus lambda b1. Here, what is a1 vector? A1 vector is I plus j, only two values. And b1 is the vector 2i minus 1j plus k. Okay. And second equation of the vector r is equal to 2i plus j minus k plus mu into 3i minus 5j plus 2k. This is second vector. It is in the form r is equal to a2 plus mu into b2. Here a2 vector is equal to 2i plus j minus k, and b2 is the vector 3i minus 5j plus 2k. We got four vectors. Now the formula shortest distance modulus of a2 minus a1. Now to find a2 minus a1, a2 minus a1 vector is equal to, this is a2, that is a1, subtract 2i minus 1i, 1i plus j minus j, cancel, that is 0j, minus k, there is no k term, that is minus k. This is a2 minus a1. Next, to find b1 cross b2. b1 cross b2 is equal to, definition of cross product using the determinant in first row I j k, second row coefficient of I j k in vector b1. Vector b1 ಏನಿದೆ ನೋಡಿ, 2 minus 1 1. Then vector b2 3 minus 5 2. Okay, expand that determinant, plus minus plus. Now that is I into, deleting first row first column, you will get four numbers, the difference of the cross multiply, minus 1 into 2 minus 2, difference minus, minus 5 into 1 minus 5, that minus into minus, plus 5, minus j into, deleting first row second column, four numbers cross multiply, 2 2s are 4, minus 3 1s are 3, plus k into, deleting first row third column, four numbers cross multiply, 2 into minus 5 minus 10, difference minus 3 into minus 1 minus 3 minus into minus plus 3. Okay, then simplify, minus 2 plus 5 3i, 4 minus 3 1, that is 1j, that is equal to 3i. 4 minus 3 1 into minus j, minus 10 plus 3 minus 7k. This is b1 cross b2. Next ಏನು ಬೇಕು ನಮಗೆ? its magnitude. Now magnitude of b1 cross b2 is equal to, magnitude is nothing but length of the vector under root of coefficient of I 3 square 9 plus coefficient of j minus 1 square plus 1 plus coefficient of k minus 7 square 49. How much? That is root 59. Okay, this is b1, magnitude of b1 cross b2. Next, to find a2 minus a1 dot b1 cross b2. Also a2 minus a1 dot b1 cross b2 is equal to a2 minus a1 dot b1 cross b2. Now in between these two, dot product. Definition of dot product: multiplying the corresponding elements. Coefficient of I 1, coefficient of I in b1 cross b2 3, plus coefficient of j here in a2 minus a1 0, coefficient of j in b1 cross b2 minus 1, coefficient of k is here minus 1 into coefficient of k minus 7, that is dot product a1 a2 plus b1 b2 plus c1 c2. Okay, now here then simplify, that is equal to 1 into 3 3, 0 into any number is 0, minus 1 into minus 7 plus 7, that is 10. Therefore shortest distance between two lines, short form SD is equal to formula modulus of a2 minus a1 dot b1 cross b2 divided by their magnitude b1 cross b2, magnitude of b1 cross b2, that is equal to modulus of a2 minus a1 dot b1 cross b2 value 10 divided by magnitude of b1 cross b2 is root 59. So modulus of 10 by root 59 is plus 10 by root 59. This is the shortest distance between two lines. So remember that formula, that is modulus of a2 minus a1 dot b1 cross b2 divided by magnitude of b1 cross b2. Okay, one more problem. Find the shortest distance between the lines L1 and L2 whose vector equations are, two vector equations are given data r is equal to I plus 2j plus k plus lambda into I minus j plus k. This is first equation, vector equation of line. And second vector equation of line r is equal to 2I minus j minus k plus mu into 2I plus j plus 2k. This is second equation. Find the shortest distance between two lines. You know the formula. Now here in first equation it is in the form r is equal to a1 plus lambda b1. Second equation r is equal to a2 plus mu b2. Now here a1 value, a1 is the vector for first equation of vector I plus 2j plus k. Then b1 is the vector I minus j plus k. For second vector, second equation of vector, and a2 is equal to 2I minus j minus k, then b2 is equal to 2I plus j plus 2k. Okay, now to find a2 minus a1, vector a2 minus a1 is equal to a2 vector minus a1 vector, subtract 2I minus 1I minus j minus 2j minus 3j minus k minus k minus 2k. This is a2 minus a1. And to find b1 cross b2, cross product of two vector, definition of cross product, determinant ijk, coefficient of ijk in vector b1 ಏನಿದೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, coefficient of ijk 1 minus 1 1, vector b2 2 1 2. Expand that determinant, that is I into deleting first row first column, you will get 4 numbers. The difference of the cross multiply, minus 1 into 2 minus 2, difference minus 1 1s are 1, minus j into deleting first row second column 4 numbers, 1 2s are 2, difference minus 2 1s are 2, plus k into deleting first row third column 4 numbers, 1 1s are 1, difference minus 2 into minus 1 minus 2, that minus into minus plus 2, that is minus 3i 2 minus 2 0j 1 plus 2 3k. This is b1 cross b2. Then to find the magnitude, so magnitude of b1 cross b2 is equal to under root of coefficient of I minus 3. Yes, so magnitude of b1 cross b2 is minus 3 square 9, coefficient of j 0 square is 0, coefficient of k 3 square 9, that is 9 plus 9 18, root 18 can be written as 9 into 2. Okay, so that is equal to 3 root 2. This is magnitude of b1 cross b2. Okay, then to find a2 minus a1, also to find a2 minus a1 dot b1 cross b2, dot product of these two vector, in between these two dot product, definition of dot product, multiplying the corresponding elements, a2 minus a1 value I minus 3j minus 2k. Now that is multiplying the corresponding elements of vector a2 minus a1 and b1 cross b2. Coefficient of I in vector a2 minus a1 1, coefficient of I in vector b1 cross b2 minus 3, plus coefficient of I j in vector a2 minus a1 minus 3. Here coefficient of j 0, plus coefficient of k is minus 2, coefficient of k is here 3. Okay, so that is 1 into minus 3 minus 3, minus 3 into 0 0, minus 2 into 3 minus 6, that is minus 9. So a2 minus a1 dot b1 cross b2 value minus 9. Therefore shortest distance between two lines is given by the formula modulus of a2 minus a1 dot b1 cross b2 divided by their magnitude, that is magnitude of b1 cross b2. Okay, then that is equal to modulus of a2 minus a1 dot b1 cross b2 value ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ minus 9, ಹೌದಾ, divided by magnitude of b1 cross b2, magnitude of b1 cross b2 is 3 root 2. Okay, 3 1s are 3 3s are, that is modulus of minus 3 divided by root 2, modulus of minus 3 is plus 3 divided by root 2. So shortest distance between two lines is 3 divided by root 2. Okay, next problem, find the shortest distance between the lines x plus 1 by 7 is equal to y plus 1 by minus 6 is equal to z plus 1 by 1, and x minus 3 by 1 is equal to y minus 5 by minus 2 is equal to z minus 7 by 1. Now here Cartesian form given, so ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನ, Cartesian form ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನ. Okay, so first one ಏನಿದೆ, x plus 1 by 7, plus 1 can be written as x minus of minus 1 divided by 7 is equal to y plus 1 is same as y minus of minus 1 divided by 6 is equal to z plus 1 can be written as z minus of minus 1 divided by 1. Okay, then second equation, x minus 3 by 1 is equal to y minus 5 divided by minus 2 is equal to z minus 7 divided by 1. Clearly it is in the form x minus x1 by a1, y minus y1 by b1, z minus z1 by c1. Here x minus x2 by a2, y minus y2 by b2, z minus z2 by c2. Now here a is the point, passes through the point, x minus x1, x1 value minus 1, y1 value minus 1, z1 value minus 1. Okay, and x minus x1 by a1. Now here a1, b1, c1 value given, that is a1 value 7, b1 is minus 6, c1 is 1. And in second equation, x minus x2 by a2. Now here b be a point, ಏನಿದೆ minus 3, x minus x1, x1 value is 3, y minus y1 is 5, z minus z1 value is 7, and a2, b2, c2 is equal to 1 minus 2, 1. These are the points. Therefore, now to convert points into position vector, therefore a is the point, its position vector is OA, represented by a1 vector is equal to minus 1i, minus 1j, minus 1k, right? And b is the point 3, 5, 7, its position vector OB, represented by a2 vector is equal to 3i plus 5j plus 7k. And a1, b1, c1, let the b1 vector is equal to a1i, that is 7i, plus b1j minus 6j plus c1k plus 1k. And b2 is the vector a2i, that is 1i, plus b2j minus 2j plus c2k plus 1k. We got the vectors. Now you know the formula. Now first to find out a2 vector minus a1 vector. a2 vector minus a1 vector, 3i minus of minus i plus i, that is 4i. 5j minus of minus plus j, that is 6j. 7k minus of minus 1k, 8k. This is a2 minus a1. Then to find b1 cross b2 vector. b1 cross b2, cross product, definition using the determinant I, j, k. Coefficient of I, j, k and vector b1, 7 minus 6, 1. Vector b2, 1 minus 2, 1. Expand it, plus minus plus, that equals I into, deleting first row, first column, you will get 4 numbers. The difference of the cross multiply, minus 6 into 1 minus 6, difference minus, minus 2 into 1 minus 2, minus into minus, plus 2, correct? Then minus j into, deleting first row, second column, 4 numbers, the difference of the cross multiply, 7 ones are 7, minus 1 into 1, 1, plus k into, deleting first row, third column, 4 numbers, 7 into minus 2, minus 14, difference minus, 1 into minus 6, minus 6, minus into minus, plus 6. That is minus 6 plus 2, minus 4i, 7 minus 1, 6, minus into plus minus 6j, minus 14 plus 6, minus 8k. This is b1 cross b2. Then to find its magnitude. Now magnitude of b1 cross b2. Magnitude of b1 cross b2 is equal to under root of coefficient of I minus 4, minus 4 square, 16. Coefficient of j minus 6, minus 6 square, 36. Coefficient of k minus 8, minus 8 square, 64. ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿ, root of 64 plus 36, 100. 100 plus 16, 116. Okay. Also to find dot product, a2 minus a1 vector dot b1 cross b2 is equal to a2 minus a1 vector this, B1 cross B2 is this. In between these two, dot product. Definition of dot product, multiplying the corresponding elements. Coefficient of I 4, coefficient of I in vector B1 cross B2 minus 4 plus coefficient of J in vector A2 minus A1 is 6. Coefficient of J in vector A2 minus B1 cross B2 is minus 6 plus coefficient of K in vector A2 minus A1 is 8 and here minus 8. Simplify minus 16 plus into minus 36, then plus into minus 64, that is minus 116. Therefore, you know the formula, shortest distance between two lines is given by the formula modulus of A2 minus A1 dot B1 cross B2 divided by their magnitude of B1 cross B2. Okay, that is equal to modulus of A2 minus A1 dot B1 cross B2 value minus 116. Magnitude of B1 cross B2 is root 116. Okay, that is equal to modulus of minus 116 is plus 116 by under root 116. Here in the numerator 116 can be written as, we can write root 116 into root 116 baribodala divided by root 116. One term get cancelled, so that shortest distance between is root of 116. ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಕಾರ್ಟೀಸಿಯನ್ ಫಾರ್ಮಲ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾಗ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ರಿ, ಅದನ್ನು ವೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಫಾರ್ಮಿಗೆ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿರಿ. ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ 1 ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲೇ, ಪ್ಲಸ್ 1 ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಬಿ ರಿಟನ್ ಆಸ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಆಫ್ minus 1. ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಮೈನಸ್ x1. ಯಾವ ಫಾರ್ಮಿಗೆ ಬಂತು ಇದು? ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಮೈನಸ್ x1 by 7 a1, y minus y1 by b1, z minus z1 by c1. x1 value minus 1, y1 is minus 1, z1 is minus 1. These are a1, b1, c1 direction ratios. Here x minus x2, x2 value 3, y minus y2, y2 value 5. This is x minus x2, this is y minus y2, z minus z2. x2 value ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ? 3, y2 value 5, z2 value 7. Now here denominator values are a2, b2, c2 direction ratios. Therefore, position vector a1 is equal to minus 1i, minus 1j, minus k. Then position vector OB represented by A2 vector is equal to 3i plus 5j plus 7k. B1 is the vector 7i minus 6j plus 1k. B2 is the vector 1i minus 2j plus k. Then apply the formula. Shortest distance between two lines is given by the formula modulus of A2 minus A1 dot B1 cross B2 divided by their magnitude of B1 cross B2. So its answer is root 116. Important sum 3 mark. Okay, Cartesian formula kottaga e type solve ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. Clear? Next problem. Find the vector and Cartesian equations of the plane passing through the points 5, 2, minus 4 and perpendicular to the line with the direction ratios are 2, 3, minus 1. Now here you know the formula for equation of plane passing through the point x1, y1, z1 and perpendicular to the normal to the plane with the direction ratios are 2, 3, 1, minus 1 with the direction ratios are in general a, b, c is given by the formula r minus a dot n is equal to 0. This is the formula for vector equation of plane passing through one point and perpendicular to the normal to the plane, normal vector. Whereas Cartesian form of equation of plane is a of x minus x1 plus b of y minus y1 plus c of z minus z1 is equal to 0. This is Cartesian form of equation of plane. Formula correct and ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. Okay, now ಇದು important derivation, they may be asking that derivation. ಇದನ್ನು ಡೆರಿವೇಷನ್ ಕೇಳ್ಬೋದು ನಿಮ್ಗೆ, ಇದನ್ನು ಡೆರೈವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ 5 mark. ನಾವು ಹಿಯರ್ ಗಿವನ್ passes through the point 5, 2, minus 4, call it as x1, y1, z1. Okay, say A is a point. And here direction ratios 2, 3, minus 1, call it as A, B, C. Okay, call it as A, B, C, direction ratios. Therefore, position vector OA represented by vector A is equal to 5i plus 2j minus 4k. And direction ratios are given. Therefore, vector n is equal to normal vector 2i plus 3j minus 1k. We got the vector. Therefore, vector equation of plane passing through a point, given point and perpendicular to the normal to the plane is given by the formula r minus a dot n vector is equal to 0. Okay, substituting the value r minus a vector 5i plus 2j minus 4k dot n vector 2i plus 3j minus k is equal to 0. This is vector equation of plane. This is vector equation of plane. Just to substitute in the values. Also, to find the Cartesian equation of plane is given by the formula a of x minus x1 plus b of y minus y1 plus c of z minus z1 is equal to 0. Howda? Substituting the value. What is a? A value is 2 into x minus x1 value 5, b value 3, y minus y1 value is 2, plus c value minus 1, z minus z1, z1 is minus 4, minus into minus plus 4 is equal to 0. Simplify. 2x minus 2 5s are 10 plus 3y 3 2s are 6 minus 1 into z minus into plus minus 4 is equal to 0. Therefore, rearrange 2x plus 3y minus z minus 10 minus 6 minus 16 minus 16 minus 4 minus 20 is equal to 0. This is vector equation of plane passing through a one point and perpendicular to the normal vector or perpendicular to the line with the direction ratios are 2, 3, minus 1. So remember that formula. Vector equation of plane is r minus a dot n is equal to 0 and Cartesian equation of plane is a of x minus x1 plus b of y minus y1 plus c of z minus z1 is equal to 0. Okay. Next problem, find the Cartesian equation of the plane passing through three non-collinear points 2, 5, minus 3, minus 2, minus 3, 5 and 5, 3, minus 3. Three non-collinear points are given. This is in general x1, y1, z1. This is say x2, y2, z2 and here x3, y3, z3. Equation of plane passing through three non-collinear points. So you know the formula. Equation of plane passing through three non-collinear points. You know the derivation is given by the formula. Determinant x minus x1, y minus y1, z minus z1, x2 minus x1, y2 minus y1, z2 minus z1. Okay, then x3 minus x1, y3 minus y1, z3 minus z1 is equal to 0. Remember that formula. Equation of plane passing through three non-collinear points given by the formula modulus of determinant x minus x1, y minus y1, z minus z1, x2 minus x1, y2 minus y1, z2 minus z1, x3 minus x1, y3 minus y1, z3 minus z1 is equal to 0. Substituting the values. Determinant x minus x1 value 2, y minus y1 is 5, z minus z1 is minus 3, minus into minus plus 3, x2 minus x1, x2 minus 2 minus 2, how much? Minus 4, y2 minus y1, y2 minus 3, minus y1 5, minus 3 minus 5, minus 8, z2 minus z1, z2 is 5, minus z1 is minus 3, minus into minus plus, that is 5 plus 3, 8. Next, x3 minus x1, x3 yesterday 5, 5 minus 2, 3, y3 minus y1, 3 minus 5, minus 2, z3 minus z1, z3 minus 3, minus z1 is minus 3, that minus into minus plus 3, minus 3 plus 3, 0 is equal to 0. Then expand it, plus minus plus, you know how to expand it. So x minus 2, deleting first row, first column, you will get 4 numbers, the difference of the cross multiply, minus 8 into 0, 0, difference minus, minus 2 into 8, minus 16, minus into minus, plus 16, minus y minus 5 into, deleting first row, second column, 4 numbers, the difference of the cross multiply, minus 4 into 0, 0, difference minus 3 into 8, 3 8s are 24, plus z plus 3, deleting first row, third column, 4 numbers, the difference of the cross multiply, minus 4 into minus 2, plus 8, difference minus 3 into minus 8, minus 24, minus into minus, plus 24 is equal to 0. Okay, simplify. 0 plus 16, 16x, 16 into minus 2, minus 32, then 0 minus 24, minus 24, minus into minus plus 24y, minus into minus plus, plus into minus, minus 24 5s are, that is 120, correct? Then 8 plus 24, how much? 32, 32 into z, 32z, okay. 32 3s are 96 is equal to 0. Okay, 32z plus 32 3s are 96. Rearrange. 16x plus 24y plus 32z minus 32 minus 120 minus 152 minus 152 plus 96. Less ಮಾಡಿ, that is 6 5, that is minus 56, correct? Minus 56 is equal to 0. Is there any common? Common itta common ತೆಗೆಯಬೇಕಿದ್ರೆ common number I think 4 common ಇರಬೇಕಲ್ಲ. Okay, 30, that is minus 64, 64. Okay, now here divide by 4, that is 4x, 4 6 are 6y, 4 8s are, then 4 1s are 4, 4 4s are. Okay, further I think 8 common, so divide by 8, 8 common ತೆಗೆದು, 8 common ತೆಗೆದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, 8 2s are plus 8 3s are, 8 4s are, 8 7s are. So 2x plus 3y plus 4z minus 7 is equal to 0. This is the vector equation of plane passing through three non-collinear points. Remember that formula. Idu kuda derivation ide, 5 mark derivation. Practice ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. Okay. Last problem, question number 37 belongs to under 3D. That is 3 mark question. Find the equation of the plane passing through the intersection of two planes. 3x minus y plus 2z minus 4 is equal to 0 and x plus y plus z plus 2 is equal to 0. and the point 2 comma 2 comma 1. Very simple problem. Now given data 3x minus y plus 2z minus 4 is equal to 0. This is first plane. Second plane x plus y plus z plus 2 is equal to 0. Second plane. And the point x1 y1 z1 that is given 2 comma 2 comma 1. Now you know the formula. Now equation of plane passing through the intersection of two planes is given by the formula first plane plus lambda into second plane is equal to 0. Now what is first plane? That is 3x minus y plus 2z minus 4 plus lambda into second plane x plus y plus z plus 2 is equal to 0. Right? Now as this plane, that is equation 3, passes through the point, as this plane passes through the point, ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ ಪಾಯಿಂಟು 2 comma 2 comma 1, means put x equal to 2, y is 2, z is 1. See what happened? 3 into 2 minus y value 2 plus 2 z value 1 minus 4 plus lambda into x plus y, x value 2, y value 2, z value 1 plus 2 is equal to 0. So implies 3 2s are 6, minus 2 plus 2 cancel, minus 4 plus lambda into 2 plus 2 4 plus 1 5 plus 2 7 is equal to 0. 6 minus 4 2 plus 7 lambda is equal to 0, right? This implies 7 lambda is equal to minus 2, divide by 7, lambda is equal to minus 2 by 7. So put lambda value in equation 3. Therefore equation 3 gives, put lambda value in equation 3. What is equation 3? 3x minus y plus 2z minus 4 plus lambda, lambda value minus 2 by 7 into x plus y plus z plus 2 is equal to 0. Now here take the LCM. LCM is 7. LCM is 7. Multiply by here 7, that is 7 into 3, 21x minus 7y, 7 2s are 14z, 7 4s are 28, minus 2 into x minus 2x, minus 2 into y minus 2y, minus 2 into z minus 2z, minus 2 into plus 2 minus 4 is equal to 0. Therefore rearrange 21x minus 2x, 19x, minus 7y minus 2y minus 9y, 14z minus 2z plus 12z, minus 28 minus 4 minus 32, cross multiply 7 into 0, 0. So this represent equation of plane passing through the intersection of two planes. 19x minus 9y plus 12z minus 32 is equal to 0. Correct? 21x minus 2x, 19x minus 7y minus 2y minus 9y plus 14z minus 2z, that is plus 12z minus 28 minus 4 minus 32 is equal to 0. So these are the important problems. Each problem carries 3 marks. Those problems belongs to question number 37 in part C, belongs to under 3D geometry. ಇವೇನು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾವಲ್ಲ ಇವನ್ನ ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ಫಾಲೋ ಅಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್, ಈಚ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಕ್ಯಾರೀಸ್ 3 marks. Okay students, so question number 37 over. Last question in part C, that is question number 38. That question number 38 belongs to probability topic. Okay, we will discuss in next class. Okay students, thank you.